Ready?
Hi guys, sadly Halloween's over and we gotta assemble Dean. I hate to do it to Dean, but Halloween's over. First, I know there were wires in the back, but we just disconnected those and I found even more wires. Great. These wires are hard. Okay. There we go. And then one of his hands will just and then I take it. Nope. Grab it. There you go. I love this glass detail. Oh, I just found this out. I've had him up for almost 2 months and I just found out he had Velcro. Wait, hold on, I want to look at something. Does that mean there's Velcro in there? Okay, so Dean's arms are out. He's handless. Poor dude. But we'll take his shirt off now. I'm not following the directions or anything. And then I'll also take his arms out while I'm at it. I'm not following any of the directions. So if you do want to disassemble Dean the right way, don't use what I'm doing if you want to assemble him the right way. Instead, go find your Dean instructions if you have any, and don't do what I'm doing if you do want to have him taken apart in the right way. His arm's stuck. Okay, I'm just gonna shove my arm into his arm socket. Nothing weird. Push it. These clothes are getting really aggravating. Okay, and we just gotta find the hook, which I think that's why it's getting so hard. It's the clothes piece is hooked up. Yep, that's why. Hey, look at how stubby his arm is. For a prop that's huge, you'd think, oh gosh. He looks like he's just been destroyed by a group of, I don't know, baseball players. He looks like he got destroyed, Dad. What do you think? Don't you agree?
I do. Definitely.
Okay, I think this would be much easier. Okay, that was a lot easier than I anticipated. The other one took me like a few minutes, like a minute, and this one took me like 5 seconds. So you can't exactly take his shoes off or his thing. You probably should take his hat. This is why I got the chair. Come on, wires. And you said he had a lot of wires. Look at this head. I gotta say one more goodbye, but he looks amazing. Stay. Don't want to hurt me. All right. Then we have these pieces. piece does not. This piece is being very aggravating.
You need help?
I need help. I almost got it all.
Here, here. Hold this.
Ah. Hard. Very hard. Dude, I think you zoomed in a little too much. Oh. Did you break him? Okay. Zoomed in a little much, so I don't know if I can trust you zooming in. Let's set that there. I'm gonna break this box. We need that box. Oh, now my fingers are like hurting. Oh, I lifted his shoes up. That's no fun. Now we're all the way at the bottom. Take the shoes off. And then take the other shoe off. Okay. Last piece of the bean's gone. Dean's gone. I'm sorry, Dean, but he's gone. So, are you done, Dad? Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe.